asking questions and all, I would expect, I don't know to what extent you have the culture, but I usually do that. I would expect that if you're asking a question, you turn on your camera, and then it's easy to have a conversation when you can put a face to the name. That's point number one. Second is, you know, गूगल ने चैट बॉक्स दिया है, भगवान ने जिंदगी में जो चीज दी है अच्छी, उसका फायदा यूज करना चाहिए. आई ऑलवेज से आई टेल माय स्टूडेंट्स आल्सो, लॉट ऑफ टाइम स्टूडेंट्स कम इन द क्लास एंड देन ऊपर का बटन नहीं लगा होता, तो मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि टेलर ने बटन दिया है, लगा लिया करो कभी कभी, राइट, अनलेस यू वांट टू बिकम सलमान खान. सो सेम वे गूगल ने चैट बॉक्स दिया है, so let's make the best use out of it. And I'm going to show you some, I'm going to have some incentives also to encourage you for using the chat box. But otherwise what happens, see, for in sessions like this, it's like I'm talking to my laptop screen. And after a while, if for 10-15 minutes, if I see no reaction, nobody unmuting and asking a question, no, nothing in the chat box, it's natural that I start feeling that probably you guys are not interested. Even you may be interested, you may be listening very attentively, I don't know. But the impression that I get is, if 15 minutes ho gaye, nobody's talking, nobody's asking any question, nobody's commenting. When I ask a question, nobody's responding. And then it's natural that I'll start feeling that either you guys are not there, you just logged in and left, which most of the time students do. We also do sometimes in the meetings, or you guys are not finding it interesting. In both the cases, that's a very, very, very big, energy drainer for me, somebody like me. And then I lose my enthusiasm. If I'm like, if people are not there, they're logged in, but they're not there, or they're not interested, they're feeling bored, then I would wind it up. I would skip a lot of important points that I have to share today. So first 15-20 minutes is on to me. I'll drag for 15-20 minutes. I'll go on with the best of my energy, no matter what. But uske baad, how I continue depends on the level of interaction I get from you. Are you all clear with this? Yes or yes? Yes or yes? Either chat box or unmute yourself.
Yes.
Cool.
Yes.
I see I see nothing in the chat box. Okay, how about this? Let's start with a very interesting good afternoon. So normally when you go, when a speaker comes, when a faculty comes, a teacher, trainer, a speaker, guest comes to your college, what do? At least wish a good afternoon, right? So I guess I deserve that at least. So let me see in the chat box. I'm going to type something for you guys also. Terrifically. Cool. So that's my good afternoon wish to all. Before while I start sharing, I want to see at least out of 50 people, at least 25 comments in the chat box. Let's see how many of you are actually awake, how many of you are logged in and are doing something else, and how many of you don't care. ठीक है, आपको जो करना है कर हम तो क्या. Cool. So I see Aditya typing, I see Sadia typing. Cool. Sushant, Simran, Ayush, I don't know, Kaylin, Rodriguez, interesting. Lenny, Matthew. Cool. Good. This is a wonderful bunch of people. So many people are active, and they like the more active you are, the more I'll give it to you. Whatever content, whatever insights that I got. Otherwise, अगर 1 घंटा निकालना ही है, मैं 1 घंटा सिर्फ कहानी सुना के भी निकाल सकता हूँ. I don't want to do it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And I expect this same kind of interaction and same kind of to continue. Only one request, as I said, once I start sharing my presentation, I'll be asking you a lot of questions on the while I'm presenting. And Google Meet may one drawback right now is that if you are sharing the screen, you cannot see the comments. So if you're typing anything in the comment while I'm sharing my PPT, I may not be able to see that, and I'll miss that question or I will miss that comment. And even if you are typing, I will feel you are not responding. So as long as my PPT is on the screen, anytime I ask a question or you want to ask a question, anything, please, instead of typing in the chat box, unmute and speak it out. I know all of us have got beautiful voices, and I know unless somebody sounds like Shakti Kapoor, that the only person who gets an excuse to not unmute and say is if you sound like Shakti Kapoor. If you are that, then it's okay, fine, you type in the chat box. Every other voice is welcome. Are you cool? And again, no offense to Shakti Kapoor, just to make it trust this. Okay, I'm going to start sharing my this PPT. I'm going to shut down my video for a while because I'm going to be very close to the screen. So window, cool. Yeah, here we go. Can somebody just let me know if the presentation is visible? Yes or yes? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Cool. Thank you so much. So what we are going to talk about today is this is no webinar. I don't know what they have told you, but let me tell you, whatever they have told you through the posters, through the emails, through publicity, they have lied to you, right? They have lied to you about 2 things. They lied to you about the topic of the talk, right? This is no webinar, this is no lecture, this is no guest lecture. So I'm sorry, but they lied to you for that. And second thing, they lied to you a lot about me. So I don't know, posters pe likha hoga, email aaye honge, and they would have written a lot of big things about me. I don't know, and that's what people do when you're inviting a speaker. It's your responsibility that you highlight the speaker. आप उसका तारीफ करो बढ़ चढ़ के. कभी कभी दो चार कदम आगे निकल जाते हैं तारीफ करने में, right? But I'm a simple person. I am a nobody, but someone who understands stories, someone who grew up wearing this canvas shoes. So when I was in school, every Thursday we used to have a PT day, and normal day we used to have other uniform, maroon pant, white shirt. Thursdays used to be complete white dress, white pant, white shirt, everything, and white shoes, canvas के shoes आते थे, वो लखानी के shoes आते थे back then, right? Not the typical sports shoes, the shoes that you have on the screen, but they would be totally white. So I'm a kid who grew up wearing those shoes, and so when somebody says step into the shoes of someone else, I can understand that very well, because I've been into those kind of shoes that probably these days I don't know whether kids wear those kind of shoes or not. So anything big that they're told about me to you, know, all my any designations, qualifications, so on and so on. This is a big man. I'm sorry, forget about everything else. You are in for a huge disappointment. I am just but a common man. With some common stories to tell, and with some common insights that I pick up from my day-to-day life, things that I do in my life. And the only thing that makes me qualified enough to talk about anything related to design, business, startups is not my qualifications. Whatever I put on the screen also is just a small thing. The only thing that makes me qualified is that I'm a Guju by blood. So every drop of my blood is as Guju as it gets, right? And as they say, if you guys have watched that movie, they say Gujarat ki to hawa mein thanda hai sahib. So it runs in my blood, and that's the most important qualification that I got when it comes to talking about business. Not my degrees, not my qualifications. That's why you will not find any slide about my introduction here. Let me ask you a simple question. As I said, I'm going to start with very interesting questions, and I'm going to ask you questions a lot. Amongst the two teachers on the screen, and I hope both of you've seen both of these movies. Left is Tare Zameen Par, of course. Right is you all know Three Idiots, the famous virus. If you had to choose a teacher for your child tomorrow, now when I say child, your child, of course you guys are still, you yourself are kids now, but assume it could be your not if not your child, but your sibling, your younger brother, sister, somebody in your family. There's a young child in your family, right? And this slide I made for when I was doing the session for faculty members in a college. So वहाँ पे I put their child, but यहाँ पे I should have edited it. So any child in your family, and you have two options. One teacher is like Amir Khan in Tare Zameen Par, the other he's not very qualified. छोटा मोटा मतलब पढ़ा लिखा है, and does not follow the rules, does not know the system. He's probably not a PhD, not an expert in his domain probably. But on the other side is somebody called Viru Sasтрабудия, a super qualified person. He got that pen from his teacher for being the best outstanding student. Such a talented man, can write with both his hands. You know, and an expert in his domain, his questions, his wisdom, his intellect, such a smart, brilliant PhD research scholar, and probably has postdocs and studied abroad. I don't know. As against Amir Khan, probably I don't know where he studied. So there's no mention about his qualification probably in the entire movie somewhere. Maybe a graduate. But if you had to choose a teacher amongst these two people, right? Who would you choose as a teacher for a child that you care about? Quickly, unmute and speak out. Quick. Because unless I get a couple of responses, I'm not moving ahead. And if I don't move ahead, I have to close this out. I got a hard stop at 3 p.m. because there's another workshop that I need to start at 3 p.m. So the quicker you respond, the quicker I move ahead, the more I cover in the session.
The first one.
First one, okay, interesting. Anyone else? Come on, 40 plus people here. And if you guys think I'm going to be doing all the speaking for the day, sorry, you again, as I said, you are in for a disappointment. But it has to be a mutual effort, right? Because unless and if you guys show interest, I have got a lot of good things to share. Otherwise, I'll go surface level पे निकल जाऊंगा मैं आगे. Anyone else? And don't type in the chat box, please, because I'm unable to see the chat. So if you're typing in the chat box, sorry, but I cannot see the chat right now. So please unmute and speak it up. One more at least. Unless I get a one more answer, I'm not moving ahead. Even if I have to save all this life for 30 minutes, I would move ahead.
The first one.
First one. Okay, cool. Thank you so much. And I just wanted two people at least, because when there are two, I can at least have some majority. एक बंदे में आप क्या status निकालोगे? See, the point is very simple, right? that even if the other guy has so much of qualifications and all, you ended up choosing Amir Khan. And why did you choose that? I'm not going to ask you right now, because I'm starting with this slide. I'm going to come back to this slide at the end of my talk, and I'm going to wrap it up on this slide again. But just keep this in your mind when I come back to the slide. Right now, another question, and this time I need at least 5 to 6 responses, because it's a very simple question, and this is where my entire talk actually starts. There are 4 things on the screen right now, right? On the top left is something that you would recognize is a timetable, right? Just like your class timetable, regular, weekly, monthly timetable jo chalta hai. And on the bottom left, you'll see something that we call a syllabus. So syllabus for some random subject. And extreme right is a pen we all use, and beach mein there is a chair, or you may call it a throne, right? Iron throne bol do, golden throne bol do, whatever it is. Now a simple question is, what is common among all these 4 things? Quickly, let me see how smart people of your college are. I have been told that this is a very, very, very popular college in Mumbai, and there were smart kids studying over here and a lot of things. And that's probably one of the reasons I accepted to come here on a very busy Saturday afternoon when I already have a lot of things lined up. So let me see how many of you are responding. Quickly, what is one thing common amongst all 4 of these things? Hello. I already told you that I'm not going to be like a lot of other people. I'm not going to just go on blabbering and complete my talk and wind up. No. So how about you guys cooperate, reply? I'm going to stop sharing if you guys are typing in the chat box. Let me see if I can see in the chat box something. So probably I'll stop sharing for a while, and you can type in the chat box for a while. It's okay. If you guys are not cool with speaking it, type in the chat box. What is common in those 4 objects? Quickly. Where is Raj? I see Shubham, Ayush, all the good afternoon people. No responses. What after good afternoon? It's your good night. Tomar, someone, Simran, Vedant, Sushant, Sakshi, and then I see Sadhya, Aditya. Come on, people. What? And there's no right or wrong answer here. There's nothing right or wrong in this case. There's no jail, no punishment. I just want to see how better do you understand the concepts, because that's unless I know that, I want then the rest remaining 30 minutes or so of my talk, I want to align from that level. The pair is the most common thing. So okay, no, I'm not saying what is the most common, but I'm saying what is one thing that is common among all 4 of them. चारों में एक चीज common क्या है? What is one common thread between all 4 of these things? Right, so pen is most common, that's right. But amongst 4 of these objects, what is one peculiar characteristic, one thing that is common in all 4 of them? These are the things used by principal, teacher, maybe. Oh, interesting. Okay, timetable is okay, cool. This pen and all, but that throne, I don't know. Maybe your principal uses that kind of a throne in the office. Our principal never does, but maybe, I don't know. Cool. And if in fact, if colleges start giving that kind of thrones to principals, then I want to be a principal someday. Cool. Okay, who else? Let me see. Can I see something in the chat box? Why don't I see anything else? I don't know. This is disappointing, guys. Honestly, I'm saying this is you kind of in the first 10 minutes only you're making me lose my energy, but I won't give up for next 10 minutes at least, and then it's up to you. So let me go back to sharing my screen. They all signify power. Interesting. Thank you so much. But here's my answer. So all whatever you say are right answers, but then I had some answer in the context of this session, and that's what I'm going to share. And the answer is this: all of them have been designed by someone. Right, the pen is designed. Everything in the pen is designed, right from the flow of the liquid fluid. There's some fluid mechanics behind it, and the mechanism for the clicking of the pen. There's a spring that has been designed. The timetable also is designed. Right, so I used to be timetable in charge in my institute for a while before I then long back. Now I'm very less involved in the college. I'm more involved in the startup incubation center. But so I used to call myself that I don't create timetables. I design timetables, and then even the syllabus is designed, and the throne that you see is designed. So everything. The point here is that everything we see around ourselves, anything, the chair on which you are sitting, the laptop that you're using, the mobile phone that you use, the clothes that you are wearing, the shoes that you wear, the plate in which you eat, the glass in which you drink the water, your bed, if you're on the bed, the pillow that you probably have at your back, the charger of your laptop, the books that you read, the vehicles on which you travel, everything is designed